Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how can you download TypingMaster Pro on your computer. So for downloading that software, press on Window key and then search here Microsoft Store and then open it. Now, inside the Microsoft Store, on the search bar, search here for TypingMaster. So here you can see TypingMaster Pro is showing. Now click on it. So by clicking on Get, you can download TypingMaster Pro on your computer absolutely for free. So just wait till the downloading ends and then I will show you how can you do TypingMaster test. So here you can see it is preparing to download and this will take a few seconds to download according to your internet speed. So this will be of 102 MB. So let's wait till the downloading ends. So now here you can see TypingMaster Pro has been successfully downloaded. Now by clicking on open, we can launch TypingMaster Pro. So just wait. Then click on continue. Then click on this, start in order. So now you can start typing using the tutorial this is showing. So let me type as this is showing. So this is how you can do typing test or can say practice typing. So I hope this video is helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe. And thanks for watching.